Hey everybody, good morning, it's Rob Muffet. Guys, this video is for everybody who has a phone that has a fingerprint lock. Last winter, I was out walking about and I got caught in a really freak rainstorm here in Florida, and it was one of the worst storms I've ever been in. I found a bus stop. I was able to get out of the rain. I was soaking wet. I wanted to call somebody, so I got my phone out and I put my finger on there, and every part of my body was wet. It would not read my finger. All my clothes were wet. My finger was wet. The phone was wet. And I got to thinking, this was kind of bad. What if there was an emergency and I really had to contact somebody and it was all wet? It was kind of stupid, but the phone was worthless. So what I did this morning is I put in my phone case a little baggie I'm sure the police would be interested in, but and just put a paper towel and a $20 bill. That way there'd be something on my person that was dry. I could actually dry off my finger and then dry off the phone and operate the stupid thing. I put a $20 bill. I figure, what the heck? It never hurts to have some extra cash. Also, you could put some phone numbers on the paper towel in case your phone broke and you needed to access your phone numbers. You no longer remembered them because they're on your phone. Also, because this was dry, if you had to start a fire, you had something you could burn something else that was damp, maybe, or so. I don't know. The main thing is, if you're in a life jacket and you fall overboard, you think, oh great, you got your phone. Now you can't use the phone because you're all wet. So this might be one way to help you get your phone back to working again. So that was my little tip for this morning. All right, guys, stay dry. See you out there.